Yeah, some man a cuss the woman and them a do it too. Boy a trace girl like a mama lolo. Woman do body wash, man a do pony gaggle. God make the woman fi take the bamboo. Me no know what the man and them a take bamboo too. Some man a cuss the woman and them a do it too. What? Well, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on. Carefully. A franchise the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it already, you know. When I come to represent. Full effective now. You know where it go? I'm going to load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Hey, yo. A people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo. A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch me, man. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know, Gaza Nation. All this time, you know, I've been here, you know, and think, you know, say, you know, it was all entertainment, you know, when I hear, you know, about the vybz kartel and the Lisa Mercedes saga business. All that time, you know, I hear, you know, and think it was entertainment, you know, I never know, say the thing real like steel, you know. You hear me? I say, right now the thing knock out Stylo G and left him on the ground flatter just like Evander own the feel, you know. So that means the world boss really is an alien for true then. That's where me I deal it because it look like more while the general teleport from out of the prison. That's where me I deal it and teleport go visit Lisa Mercedes. That's where me I deal it. It have to be something like that. It can't be in a lollipop thing. It can't be in a joke thing. Right now, you know, a big thing going on the internet, you know, because all me hear shot about, you know, a swipe and no twiping, you know. That's what me I deal with. So right now, you know, she take off the G, you know, and just left Stylo, you know. And I know more Stylo G, you know. She take off the G and just left Stylo. Now you hear shot about twipe and no twiping. Eh? What the bum buckler to go on, man? I can't understand what I go on, brother. Right now, the world boss I create all of them about them on the internet. Yo, from me see the look of video, you know, I ask the world boss, you know, what the fuck is this, my boss? I ask him, you know, what the fuck is this, my boss? Because I know say it I go create misery, you know. Lollipop thing, you know. I can't believe. This is what I deal with. I can't believe Gaza Nation. Say, I they say it gone. You know what I mean? I can't believe I they say it took the right now, it come like the man have to leave or alone, my virgin. Is what I say? Alright, respect. Alright. Yeah, like him have to leave her alone should determine, say, at the world boss shall roll with. You see what I say? She determinedly, I say, at the world boss shall deal with first class. You see what I say? She serious. I don't even know games business, God's a nation. She seriously, I say, yo, at the world boss, she want, and she don't want the brother was shot up about swipe and no swiping. Is what I deal with? Right now, I can't believe. I shit they lock down the whole internet right about now. The people them confuse my virgin. You know what I mean? Right now, G have to leave her alone, you hear me? Because Right now, she leak some information where is where me I deal with where a character ruin. Is what I say? Yeah, guys, a nation. Character ruin for them type of information. Them, you know what I mean? You see me? No gimmicks not in it. You know what I mean? And then a lollipop thing. No, I see like J.A. radio there live. You see, on J.A. radio I say, well then, I talk about the local girl where the six woman them gang. You know what I mean? And he want say, Mr. Dumacheski, you know, Mr. Dumacheski border. I talk about are the girl fault and them shit there. Because she shouldn't go dance and way and if war go and she fi run and all them shit there if she can't fight and all them things. Right now, you know. That boy there, you know. The last time, you know. That boy there, you know. Come up on 91 Slipe Road, you know. Up our next Dumacheski boy, boy with them call Prince, you know. Come trim him ear, you know. And when the man them put on the rush pan the boy, you know. The man them put on, you know, suburbs chase pan the boy, you know. The boy take it now the niggle of the road, you know. And the boy start knee lift, you know. And drive, you know. Him 2 foot them a lift up off of the ground one time, you know. And when the Philistine, you know, behind him, you know, put on the suburbs chase, you know, you hear the shouting, you know, hold him! The boy kick in turbo and lost the man them, you know. Boy, you're lucky, you know. You're there and I chat shit, you know. And there one side and I chat shit, you know. You're lucky, you know. I bet you're not playing no more loose ball like that. Eh? Hey boy, you're lucky you have quick feet, yeah? You're lucky. That's what I do when you're looking, you know. A base speed a pitch off of the boy shoes bottom, you know. You know what I mean? Hey boy, you're lucky, yeah? Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep disrespecting people when you see people in them hard and difficult time, yeah? It's alright. Yeah, no, back to the swipe and now swiping. You see what I say? Right now, she never had to forgot that some my virgin. It look like the G take too much step on her, son. So she expose out everything. It look like the G violate her, wicked right about now, you know what I mean? I think everything they done and finish. You see what I deal with? John, world boss, let me tell you something, man. What am I gonna do with you, man? What you gonna do? What am I gonna do with you? So that mean I'm not joke when you talk about your boss off them girl slippers. All the biggers and the slimmers. I don't know joke thing. It don't look like a joke thing. Right now, my sister, you're dead ass, you know, you're dead ass serious. I don't know gimmicks business. You know, old boss, you're wild out now, man. You see what I say? Remember, you know, I know like Teddy broke shutter, you know, where in a shutter same hour, you know, give the house, give the million and give the car, you know. You mean for them, I said the world boss take the big long something and push down in her, and now Stylo G a ball out and I say kartel you push it too far. Eh? Blood clot. She called me daddy when me a spank it. She said him have zero strength, but I am fit. Hey boy, you vamp it and yamp it. We give her title and I'm cocky #1. She rank it, spread the foot on the bed like blanket. Me sink it like Columbus bomb ship. When she a come, she chuckle like a bike. When time I crank it, Then she bend down and thank it because we make she come and it. Why? What? What? Eh? Like the world where she live in, me make her head spit pop the bed foot, bed head on the bed spring. She more and curious to know what my meds in. She say my style brand new. Every day ma the same thing. Me make she come anytime. Why? What? You mad? Swipe or no twiping. I can't believe. The whole internet in a frenzy. Eh? Well, all the world boss so bad. You know what I mean? The man your badness step on a total different level, my virgin. Yeah, man, you can't mix up them man your badness with nobody badness, my virgin. The man your badness is not an ordinary thing, my virgin. You're a world-class badness, them man you have. You see me I deal with, they can't come with your little plain badness or your little part with your badness and hold up no argument with them man, my virgin. A world-class badness, them man you have. Anyway, at the general, the 10-star one, I represent in a full effect. You see what me I deal with? Yeah, man. See me look up piano. We give all piano lesson too. What?